All right, this engine, this Kubota engine, is experiencing shrinkflation on one of the pistons. So this piston here is above top dead. This piston here is above top dead. And then there's that one. Whoops, I went too far. Oop, I went too far again. I guess that's as high as it's going to go. So we definitely have a problem here. That's as far as it comes up. Gee, I wonder what happened. Well, we were able to get it apart. Knocked that number 3 connecting rod and piston out. Well, what do you know? The connecting rod is bent. That'll do it.